Intermittent fasting, the hottest topic in today's world of nutrition and dieting, and maybe to a certain extent almost getting to a stage where it's becoming a fad. Intermittent fasting has shown fantastic research with a lot of benefits. People are benefiting significantly with significant weight loss. Many cancers have also reduced. The incidence of cancer is reduced with intermittent fasting. Blood sugars have significantly lowered. Blood pressure has also been controlled very well with intermittent fasting. Now, most of the studies have also been controlled when they are done in the lab, and most of these may also be done with animals. Now, when we're talking about humans with intermittent fasting, you have to be doubly careful about how you do it, when you do it, and why you need to do it. If your intention is to lose weight and to try and get into more disciplined diet where you're avoiding crowding of foods, avoiding junking and avoiding snacking, and trying to follow a more, regimental way of eating, then great. Intermittent fasting is a good way to start, but it is important that you pay attention to the time and that circadian rhythm that you need to be aware of. The timing is very critical here. The timings could be anywhere from 10 to 16 hours of actual fasting, and the meals that you eat before and after the 10 to 16 hours of fasting absolutely needs to be more conscientious and mindful eating, which means you need to include more fresh produce, you need to include more fruits and vegetables, more fresh fruits and vegetables. You need to avoid foods that are high in sugar or really high in fat. You also need to be careful about the total calories in and the portion sizes that you consume. A repercussion from intermittent fasting when not done right is binge eating. People who are not aware or do not have good control of their eating habits can actually, really have very negative impacts from intermittent fasting. The other important thing to remember here is that certain physiological conditions demand that you do not do any extreme fasting, and intermittent fasting would be one of them, where this would include pregnant women, breastfeeding women, or people who have physiological conditions where their blood sugars may drop down really low. You have to be absolutely careful. Also, with people who have anorexia or bulimia, which are eating disorders, you need to definitely be additionally cautious about doing intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the in thing today, folks, but you have to find out if that's what you want to do, and you have to study it before you actually bring it, as a lifestyle change into your everyday habits. I hope this information was useful for you, helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nurture the Artist. And I'm here to give you a lot more information about health, wellness, fitness, and the entire, knowledge about well-being, about life. This is Lalita Ramamurthy, your personal health coach and registered dietitian. Have a fabulous day and stay fit.